Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the aux wireless antenna cable from the routing channel on the IR webcam board bracket. Disconnect the two IR webcam cables from the connectors on the IR webcam board. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the IR webcam board bracket to the display enclosure. Lift the IR webcam board and bracket off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the IR webcam board and bracket onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the IR webcam board bracket to the display enclosure. Connect the two IR webcam cables into the connectors on the IR webcam board. Route the aux wireless antenna cable through the routing channel on the IR webcam board bracket.